The 1967 Ford Mustang Convertible stands as one of the most iconic American cars ever produced. A machine whose very shape can stir emotions and memories even among those who've never driven one. Its long hood, short deck, and muscular stance define the pony car era and influence decades of automotive design. But every so often, a car appears that doesn't just preserve history, it reimagines it. That's precisely what this customized 1967 Ford Mustang Convertible achieves, blending the unmistakable silhouette of the first-generation Mustang with the performance, reliability, and comfort of a modern GT. This Restomod is a testament to craftsmanship, creativity, and passion. At its heart, this machine carries a 4.6-liter V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, a combination that captures the raw mechanical spirit of the 1960s while delivering the refined punch of the 21st century. This isn't simply a rebuilt classic. It's a complete rethinking of what a classic Mustang can be. Finished in Wimbledon White with shimmering vapor silver racing stripes and topped with a gray power-operated convertible roof, this car evokes both nostalgia and modern flair. Beneath its skin lies a host of performance upgrades and custom touches, each executed with precision to ensure the car drives as beautifully as it looks. The foundation of this transformation is a Baer Racing Eleanor-style body kit, an homage to the legendary movie car immortalized in Gone in 60 Seconds. The Eleanor aesthetic is all about presence, a widened stance, sculpted lines, and aggressive detailing that demand attention. On this particular Mustang, the kit was meticulously fitted to the original bodywork before being refinished in the timeless shade of Wimbledon White, a color that first appeared on Ford's performance lineup during the golden age of American motoring. The silver stripes running along the centerline accentuate the car's muscular proportions, catching light as the contours flow from the hood to the rear deck. Lighting upgrades are both functional and aesthetic. Aftermarket headlights and fog lamps replace the original sealed beam units, providing superior illumination and a more modern look. At the rear, Shelby-style sequential taillights not only echo the Mustang's performance heritage but also enhance visibility. Hood pins and dual hood scoops add a touch of classic racing aggression, while the power-operated gray convertible top with its folding plastic rear window maintains convenience without compromising style. Perhaps one of the most striking exterior features is the custom side-exit exhaust system, integrated cleanly into the lower bodywork. It doesn't just look purposeful. It gives this Mustang a throaty, distinctive exhaust note that announces its arrival long before it's seen. The stance of any performance car is crucial, and whoever built this Restomod understood that perfectly. The stock steel wheels are long gone, replaced by a set of 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, a design revered among hot rodders and muscle car fans alike. Their vintage 5-spoke pattern pays tribute to the era of classic American racing, while the knock-off-style center caps add an extra layer of authenticity. The car rides on Nitto performance radials, 235/45 up front and 255/45 at the rear, offering a balanced grip profile that makes this convertible not only beautiful to look at but genuinely enjoyable to drive. Whether it's cruising down a boulevard or carving through a winding back road, this setup ensures the Mustang feels planted and responsive. Open the door, and the transformation continues inside. The cabin of this Mustang isn't a relic of the past. It's an inviting blend of classic and contemporary. The seats, upholstered in dark charcoal and dove leather, were sourced from a 2007 Ford Mustang California Special, giving the interior a luxurious yet sporty feel. These modern seats offer improved support and comfort over the originals, making long drives a pleasure rather than a chore. The craftsmanship throughout the cabin speaks to the builder's dedication to quality. Every stitch, seam, and surface was carefully chosen to harmonize with the car's personality. The steering column has been replaced with an IDIT unit, which adds both functionality and refinement. A beautifully finished wood-rimmed steering wheel sits proudly at the center, marrying classic style with a tactile driving experience. It's connected to power steering, making maneuvering effortless even at low speeds, a far cry from the heavy, manual steering setups of 1960s muscle cars. The dash features a set of odometer gauges, modern instruments that provide accurate, easy-to-read data without clashing with the vintage theme. The centerpiece of the cluster is a 140 miles per hour GPS speedometer and a 10,000 revolutions per minute tachometer, flanked by smaller gauges monitoring oil pressure, water temperature, and fuel level. Adding to the car's usability is a JVC AM/FM/CD/USB stereo system that integrates discreetly into the dashboard. It offers modern connectivity and high-quality audio while maintaining a clean appearance. A custom center console houses a B&M short-throw shifter, which operates with a tight, mechanical precision that enhances the driving experience. The overall impression inside is one of comfort, craftsmanship, and capability. A car that honors its heritage while embracing progress. But the most important transformation lies under the hood. The original small-block Ford engine that would have powered this Mustang when it left the factory has been replaced by a 4.6-liter SOC V8 sourced from a 2005 Mustang GT. This modern power plant offers improved efficiency, smoother operation, and far more power than anything available in 1967. It's equipped with a Ford racing computer for optimized performance, a dual-inlet K&N cold air intake system to improve airflow, and an aluminum radiator with twin electric fans to keep temperatures under control even in demanding conditions. Power is delivered through a 5-speed manual transmission, also borrowed from a later generation Mustang, feeding into an aluminum driveshaft that reduces rotating mass and improves throttle response. This combination of modern hardware and classic aesthetics results in a driving experience that's as rewarding as it is unique. Unlike many vintage cars that require constant maintenance and compromise, this Mustang has been engineered to deliver both performance and dependability. The throttle response is immediate, the shifts crisp, and the power delivery linear and strong. On the open road, the 4.6-liter V8 emits a deep, resonant exhaust note that captures the essence of muscle car excitement, while maintaining a level of refinement that older engines could never achieve. Handling has been thoroughly modernized as well. Adjustable front coilovers allow for fine-tuning of the suspension setup, enabling the driver to dial in the perfect balance between comfort and cornering performance. The brakes are equally impressive. Baer power-assisted four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors provide exceptional stopping capability. Whether bringing the car down from highway speeds or maneuvering through city traffic, the braking system inspires confidence and control. In motion, this Restomod feels solid and composed. There's none of the body flex or vague steering that plagued many original convertibles of the era. The chassis improvements and suspension tuning make it feel tight and responsive, while the power steering and modern brakes ensure that every input from the driver is translated directly and predictably. It's not just a car that looks good, it's one that begs to be driven. The odometer shows just 38 miles since completion, effectively making this a fresh build. According to its title, the car is mileage exempt, but it's clear from every detail that it's barely been driven since its transformation. Every component, from the undercarriage to the engine bay, looks new and meticulously maintained. This isn't an aging restoration, it's a newly reborn icon, waiting to be enjoyed. What makes this 1967 Ford Mustang Convertible particularly special is how it bridges generations. It captures the romance and soul of the 1960s, a time when cars were emotional, mechanical, and raw, but enhances it with the usability and precision of modern engineering. It's a rolling tribute to both eras, merging the artistry of hand-built customization with the dependability of contemporary design. Enthusiasts often debate what makes a true Restomod successful. Some argue it's about retaining the essence of the original while improving performance. Others say it's about making an old car behave like a new one. This Mustang manages to do both with rare finesse. There's also an undeniable cinematic charm to this car. The Eleanor-style body kit immediately conjures images of high-speed chases, roaring engines, and that famous scene from Gone in 60 Seconds. But beyond the Hollywood glamour lies genuine craftsmanship. Every line and curve has been carefully executed to ensure the car looks aggressive without being overdone. The proportions are right, the detailing tasteful. Unlike many replicas or tribute builds that simply copy a famous look, this Mustang uses Eleanor cues as inspiration rather than imitation. The result is something original, authentic, and deeply personal. Driving a car like this isn't just about transportation. It's about experience. Drop the convertible top, fire up the engine, and you're instantly connected to decades of automotive history. The rumble of the V8, the smell of leather and fuel, the wind rushing through your hair. It's sensory, visceral, and deeply satisfying. Few modern cars, no matter how fast or technologically advanced, can replicate the emotional connection that a car like this delivers. It's not about statistics or lap times. It's about the way it makes you feel behind the wheel. From a collector's standpoint, Restomods like this represent an exciting evolution in the classic car market. They appeal to purists who appreciate the timeless design of vintage models, as well as to enthusiasts who want modern reliability and performance. They're cars you can drive daily if you choose, without worrying about the quirks and limitations of older technology. And because each one is a unique build, they carry a sense of individuality that mass-produced vehicles can't match. This particular Mustang, offered by a dealer in Missouri with a clear title, exemplifies the very best of what the Restomod movement stands for. It's not just a restoration or a replica, it's a reinvention. The combination of the 1967 body, 2005 mechanicals, and tasteful upgrades throughout make it a standout example of how old and new can coexist beautifully. For enthusiasts who admire both the elegance of the past and the precision of the present, this convertible hits the perfect balance. The auction for this 1967 Ford Mustang Convertible ends on November 3, 2025, at 11:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and whoever wins the bidding will take home not just a car but a statement piece. A bridge between eras, crafted with passion and purpose. Owning a car like this isn't about collecting a relic. It's about celebrating the evolution of performance and design. It's about honoring the engineers and dreamers who built the original Mustang while embracing the innovation that keeps that spirit alive today. When the sun glints off the Wimbledon White paint, reflecting across the sculpted body lines and into the vapor silver stripes, it's impossible not to feel something. This is more than a machine. It's art in motion. Every component, from the American racing wheels to the custom exhaust, speaks of the builder's dedication to excellence. It's a car that demands to be seen, heard, and driven. A car that rewards passion with performance. For anyone who has ever dreamed of owning a Mustang that captures the best of both worlds, classic beauty and modern engineering, this Restomod makes that dream tangible. It stands as proof that innovation and nostalgia don't have to compete. They can coexist, creating something even greater than the sum of their parts. As it sits under the Missouri sun, waiting for its next owner, it represents not just a piece of automotive history, but a bold vision of its future. In the ever-evolving world of classic cars, few builds manage to achieve the harmony this Mustang delivers. It's a driving experience steeped in emotion, craftsmanship, and mechanical excellence. From its Eleanor-inspired bodywork to its modern 4.6-liter heart, it embodies the very essence of the American automotive dream. A dream that continues to inspire generations of enthusiasts around the world.